Hello guys, it's another day, YouTubers. I don't know what to tell you guys, but we actually living out Maryland. I'm going to Miami. It's been a while, but I have to go discuss. We actually wanted to leave out of Maryland. So I know it's gonna be a lot of fun for us, you know, going down there.
What's up, H&E family? I know we haven't been on here in forever.
That's right.
But we haven't traveled in forever too.
It's been too long for a while now. Like, you know, we're just in a place. We normally go out of town every now and then, but now since this COVID started, it's been different. That's why we're going where we're going. I'll show y'all more videos as we get on board. Alright, bye. That was a safe landing. Had a good flight.
Guys, it's so beautiful. And we're on the quiet part of the beach. Look at it. It's so quiet right now. Probably because it's really early and people are still hungover and sleep. Yeah, we're not prepared to go to the water yet, but we wanted to walk around. We just got here.
Yeah, everything looking beautiful.
We're not even really.
We're not even started yet.
No, we're not even really fully dressed appropriately, but
right.
Our room isn't ready because it's so early. But we want to get out, go get something to eat,
and then we're gonna start getting ourselves together again.
Yes, go.
Right now, it feels so good, so
Yes.
nice down here, down in Maryland. Still cold down there.
Yeah.
The weather is not true to itself.
Right. and like it's so quiet right now because it's, like I said, it's early. This is the time I could go to the beach. One, because the sun is not super like beaming on you, burning your skin.
We're still gonna show you guys some stuff out here. You know, some viral videos been going on, and we're here in Miami. We're gonna go down to where it's happening, and we're gonna like capture everything live.
We're not capturing everything live. Luckily we're in the quiet part of Miami. We're not in South Beach because South Beach is crazy right now, and pretty sure everybody has seen Instagram once this video goes up.
But what I'm letting y'all know is we're gonna go down. We're not far from there. We're gonna go down there. What are you showing? I'm right here. You showing that?
Am I? Oh.
So we like I said, we will go there. You know, we will show all we can.
I like the camera is not doing the water justice. Like the water looks gorgeous, especially with some shades on, because it makes the blue look even prettier.
Yeah, we're not going, you know, far in there because, you know, we're not prepared. You know, like I'm not dressed up yet. So
he's not prepared. I got shorts and some sandals on. So
can you jump right in the water?
I'm jumping in. I can put my feet in. I can touch. I need to touch.
You have to swim in there.
I want to touch the ocean.
You have to swim in there.
We haven't.
Then you know. Then that's how I know you're prepared.
We haven't seen the beach in over a year. We haven't seen water like this in over a year. Like when we went to Jersey, that was it. And the water don't look like that down here, or up. It don't look like pretty down up there like down here. Let me say that.
Won't compare.
No, it's no comparison. Ew. No, it's zero comparison.
So nice. The weather is so good, guys.
Yeah.
The weather is so good down here.
So
it's not cold.
We'll probably have multiple videos because we're gonna be here all week. So you guys stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
What's up, guys? As you can see, we don't have our mask on.
Right.
One, there's nobody around us. We've only been doing this when we're kind of like in a really open space.
Right.
And it makes sense because one, that sun be beaming down, you feel like you can't breathe. I can't live like that. But we have walked to South Beach. Our hotel is actually in Mid Beach, so it wasn't a bad walk. We were able to get something to eat, and I
feel much better now.
Yes.
You know.
Just enjoying the weather. We got here early, so our room isn't ready.
Wow, that looks cool. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Y'all see it? Damn. That's axe right there. That looks real cool.
They're just putting it up too. Take the plastic off of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Got more stuff to explore.
That goes to Lincoln Road. And that's where we're trying to go. Probably maybe tomorrow. That's
Lincoln Road.
Yeah. For shopping area, I hear. So yeah, we're just looking around. Not doing much yet.
We're still gonna show you guys more stuff as we move around.